could possibly go wrong? Welcome back to the House Edition. So today, I'm going to start by doing the framing for the temporary roof. That way I can get plastic on it and make sure that this will be watertight for this weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I know that this is a 3.5 pitch roof, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that roof angle on, and then I'll just eyeball to get the height right. So now that I got the ridge in place, I'm going to go ahead and cut rafters that'll go over to the top plates. Oh man. So now I got those tacked at the ridge, I'm going to go ahead and lay out on this top plate and tack them down. And I'm going to put a stick right under here under this ridge, just to take some of the load off of it. So I think I'm going to put one more here and one more here. That way it's got really good support when it comes all the way across. This is turning into a full-blown roof, but I think it needs more support. Actually, I just changed my mind. I'm going to make an executive call here. I'm going to maintain this line here. I'm going to do one down like that, and I'm going to do one from there like there. I think that's going to work. I don't know. We'll figure it out together. Okay, so now that we have something framed up here, we're going to try to get some plastic over it. I'm going to use this plastic right here, mostly because I already have it. It's 6 mil, so it's pretty heavy plastic. So I got that 1/2 of the roof covered with the plastic, but I ran out of button cap nails. So rather than stop and go to the store, I'm going to wait and finish it tomorrow. Plus, I forgot the tie back anyway, so I'm going to shift for the rest of the day and just start installing these hangers up here on the joists. So I'm just going to tack it in with 2 nails, one on each side, and then I'm just going to move on down the line. Alright, so now that I got them all roughed in, I'm going to go back and I'll set all the small nails. Then I'll use a palm nailer, which is pneumatic, to drive the long nails. Those are 3 1/4, I think. and they'll go diagonally into the brace, and that's what cross locks it. That really holds it a lot. Which one would you want to do? Whew. It might be hard to see, but I had to put Tico nails in those holes on all these support posts now. That should be the last thing I have to do. At least with the Ticos. I still need to put bolts that go through the LVLs to the outside. So I got that temporary roof framed up, and I got plastic installed on half of it. I just ran out of button caps. So tomorrow, I'll come back, and I'll install the rest of the plastic, and get everything taped up, and make sure it's weather tight. And then, I'll install the rest of the tie-vac, and I'm not sure. I want to try to do something over the door itself. I might, maybe, if I have enough pieces of plastic, maybe I can put a piece of plastic over it and maybe get a zipper. I really like those zippers because you can go in and out, and then it kind of seals it. It makes it almost weatherproof. So we'll see. I'm not quite sure. I got to get some way so it sheds most of the rain off of it, but you can still get inside and out very easily. So I hope you'll join me in the next clip where we try to wrap up the rest of the roof cover, and we'll finish with the tie-vac. I'll see you then.